Hi guys, I'm back, Bafit, I'm back again. Tebogo Mokoena has written an article here. Hunivat plans to deport 28,000 foreign prisoners, saving SA 13.5 million daily. No. 13.5 million daily is being spent feeding prisoners from foreign countries, guys. People who left their countries just to commit crime in South Africa. 13.5 million is spent daily. Count that in a year. In years. Nah, guys, we are poor by design. Yeah. We are poor by design. So, Mr. Honevat, one of the few ministers, probably is the only minister who's working, is trying to fix some of these problems. Correctional Service Minister Peter Kronevat revealed that 28,000 foreign nationals in South Africa prison cost taxpayers 13.5 million every day. Kronevat said legislative, actually, it might not be 13.5 million. The prison system complex, and some of they might be stealing the money in the prison system complex. Actually, then I'm not saying they might. They actually are stealing the money. Can't be. They are stealing the money. These people are making a killing out of these prisoners. Each prisoner, I don't know, 500 to feed each prisoner each day. 500 or something, or 1,000. 500, from 500 to 1,000 rand each day. And Labatu, they eat shit when they tell you. They eat shit. They don't eat food. Kabang, if it was 500, what can you do? If me outside with 500 each day, why, Baba? Nah, it's a month. No, it's a weekly food. Now, come on. Honeywell said legislative amendment to deport foreign awaiting trial inmates to their home countries could be completed within a year. The ministers also claimed his department saved 650 million since July 2024 through internal bakery and agricultural production. Yeah, we need ministers who can think, bro, man, who are creative, man. Aye, man. Aye. And I don't want to say this, man. You need to bring back some white people, man, into the system. Bring back some white people into governance, into our national teams, Bafana Bafana. Hi, man. Can you just into civil service, home affairs? Well, bring white people, bruh. Oh. Black people are too corrupt, man, too corrupted, and we're not used to money. That's why money blind us too much. Correctional Service Minister Peter Coneval has announced plans to introduce legislative amendment that would allow South Africa to transfer foreign nationals awaiting trial back to their countries of origin, with the changes potentially finalized within 12 months. I make it quick, Mr. Coneval, make it quick. Hey, we need to win government, we need to win home affairs. Hey. According to Daily Investor, Hunivat made the remarks during an interview on Die Hood on Byte, addressing the severe overcrowding in South African prisons. He revealed that approximately 28,000 foreign nationals are currently held in the country's correctional facilities, costing taxpayers 482 per prisoner per day, a combined daily expense of 13.5 million. Yeah. What are they eating with food? It's not like they're eating KFC. These people are stealing money blind. Yo, deportation agreement with neighboring countries to reduce these costs. The Department of Correctional Services has been signing agreements and memorandum of understanding with neighboring states, including Namibia, Botswana, and Zimbabwe. Carnival said most foreign inmates originate from Zimbabwe, Mozambique, Lesotho, and Malawi, which is why the department has prioritized agreements with SADC member states under the proposed exchange framework. South Africa would also receive prisoners held in other countries. Carnival argued that the arrangements would ultimately leave South Africa better off financially. If our borders were secured, we had patriotic people, patriotic business owners. Yes. South Africa would be a first world country, I'm telling you. First world country. But we have people who hate themselves, who are not proud of themselves. They opening borders, they taking 200 bribes, selling the country. 750 million serves through self-sufficient drive. Beyond the deportation plans, Carnival outlined significant cost saving achieved since his appointment in July 2024. Internal prison bakery have saved the state 77 million by producing bread at 8 rand per loaf rather than paying external suppliers 23.50 cent. Inmates involved in the program receive formal training and entrepreneurial skills in the process. When they get out of prison, they will be able to open their own businesses now with the skills that they got from prison. That's when we call it correctional service. A broader self-sufficient program encompassing agricultural farming, food processing, textile production, and furniture manufacturing generated a further 125 million in savings, bringing the total cost to 650 million. Groenewald said he aims to reach 1 billion in overall taxpayer savings before the end of his term. Amadoda, we need more of Groenewald, man. Hey, people who are proud of the work that they do, man. Not just steal. And what's wrong with the melanated people? South African expressed mixed feelings. South Africans on X responded to the minister's announcement with a mix of skepticism and praise. The skeptics will always be there. A new tender, Dylan Singrove wrote, a new tender for 650 million has just been awarded to determine how the correctional ministry was able to save 650 million. Some cadres will benefit. This one is joking. Christ says, only way to fix SA is to put the right leaders in place, especially once they proven themselves like this. Serious, Abo Nasib, Abo Cenu, Abo Groenewald. Abo 18 who just spent millions, but before they became ministers, they were against. Now they became ministers. They want to play safer. 18 man, you are a bomb of the year. While past added, Ompid, could you explain this to the other ministers? Maybe over some sandwiches you bring from home. They don't care, man. These people, they just doing like the rest of Africa. Reference spot. Arts and culture, Mr. Keating McCann spending 21 million at the FIFA World Cup. Keating spent 21 million already. People are trying to save, others are spending. We need more of this. That's Yami said. So, Buffett, what do you think, Buffett? Do you think this is a good initiative to think the guy is xenophobic? They won't cry xenophobia because he's white. They won't cry xenophobia. But anyway, Buffett, I think this is good news. We need new ways, new innovative. And you can't spend 483 rands on a day feeding people who have their own countries, they came for no good in South Africa from the first place. They came from no good. That's Mara. People are taking advantage of us for real. You come to a place and do crime, go to prison, you get food for free. Anyway, Buffett, please subscribe, please like, please comment, Buffett. Let us grow the page, Buffett.